So today we're going to be discussing creator burnout and AI as an energy saver. So AI is like a printer head, consistent output without burning out. If you know a print head, it's something that is used in printers, I believe, and it's all about consistency. So worn out head was sticks, parang creator na pagod, low quality. If you have a printer head, ito yung tsura ng printer head, guys, sa isang PPT. Sa isang printer. Okay, ayun yung kailangan yan. Baka siya kailangan, mukha naman siyang ewan and stuff. Actually, ang cost niyan is 6,000 plus for some jobs na do have link in the description. And usually, kailangan yan. Kapag sira-sira yung heads mo and stuff, as a content creator, kung ganun din yung system mo, pagod ka, burnout ka, low quality pa yung output mo. But yung mga fresh head, kapag bumili ka ng bago sa printer, it was smooth prints. So, parang AI that keeps content clean and repeatable. What you need is not another worn-out head na parang ilalagay mo sa printer mo. Kailangan mo ng new head which is updated, which is ilalagay mo na yung AI into your system, into your freelancing productivity and stuff. And systemized prompts equals ink flow. Walang bara-bala, tuloy-tuloy yung gawa. So, mas maganda yung ganon. Mas mabuti pa na mag-invest ka sa print head. Ink flow equals energy management. Kung sa printer, kailangan niya mag-manage ng mga ink. For you have to manage your own. Manual grind is mabilis maubos. But if you have AI batching to automate your work, the system as a freelancer. One session equals many outputs. The freelancer content creator can only create blogs. You can create shorts. You can create captions. Like you can attract more clients. Auto alignment equals SOPs. Hindi sayang sa oras ulit-ulit. So, and number 3, that's going to be the last point, is avoiding creator burnout. So AI is your support head, hindi ka palit, ikaw pa rin nagdadala ng design for your mission. Kailangan ko yung CEO, is just an AI. Batch printing equals flash content, yan yung one script equals 7 posts to 1 comment. Long life equals long game. Sustainable pace, hindi post still clock. Diba? So if you want your AI print head, so your freelance content never plugs your burnout, click the YouTube description, join the limited free membership in the Firelancer community with school for a plug and play SOPs and energy save